Okay, so are K-1 applicants required to provide their financial information? There seems to be some misinformation about there. There have been a ton of changes in the rules lately having to do with public charge, having to do with all different types of financial qualifications, both from the beneficiary side, the immigrant side, and from the petitioner side. And as I mentioned earlier, we actually even have more changes that just came to light today on the day we're recording this, where they're going to be asking for potentially even more documents from the sponsors themselves. But so, yes, it is a myth. It is not correct. What we're seeing online, a lot of people have been saying K-1 applicants don't have to worry about the new public charge rules. That's only for spouse visas. It's not a big deal for the K-1s. That's not true. I think the confusion is probably coming from some of the ways that the different cases are being processed and what forms are being asked for at the embassies and then at the green card step. But keep in mind that K-1 applicants are first getting a visa from the embassy, and then they're coming into the United States getting married. And at that point, they have to start all over basically with the adjustment of status application after their marriage, which does require even more extensive proof of the financial situation and their financial background and all of their education and all those things that prove that the government wants to see that you be able to take care of yourself when you're in the United States. So unfortunately, no, you're not getting out of that. No one is these days. It's not better or worse than the spouse visa folks. It's just another necessary step. So unfortunately, that's just a myth we've seen really out there on the chats and the forums lately. We try to kind of keep an eye on that. And I'm not sure where that started, but it's unfortunately not true.